Hello friends, welcome to Bodula's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one healthy dosa recipe. It's millets dosa recipe. So let us start preparing a batter first. So I'm taking 1 cup of millets. Any millets you can take, whichever is available in the market. There are a number of varieties of millets. And I've taken half cup of urad dal, 1 cup millets, half cup of urad dal, and some methi seeds, very little. So all these three ingredients I'm going to wash it 3 to 4 times very nicely and soak it for about 8 hours, and separately I'm just soaking it so you can see. So before grinding a batter, I have soaked some of the poha, around half cup of poha, just to give a soft batter. So this I have done only 10 minutes before. So now I will add urad dal, soaked urad dal. I've soaked this for 8 to 10 hours, friends. So 8 hours is minimum, so you can soak it as per that. So now I will grind urad dal, separately grind each and every ingredient. So I'm taking urad dal right now and grind it to a fine paste and add water if required. As per the consistency, you can check if water is required. So urad dal paste is now ready. So I'm going to add it in a bowl. So just see the consistency of this batter, friends. So this is how it should be for the dosa, not very like liquid type. So now I'm going to add millets and grind it separately. Very little water, friends, not too much, just around 2 spoons. I'll have to grind this again. So you can see it's nicely grind. It is not that thin, you can just see the consistency. So the third one, I'm going to grind poha, which I soaked around 15 minutes before. So add this also, and methi leaves. I've added methi leaves in this batter, methi seeds. So I've added little water, and this is also grind into a fine paste. Okay, so I'm going to add the last ingredient, poha. Poha is just to give a smooth texture to our batter, and also it helps you to, the dosa will turn out to be very soft and spongy, and it will not be rough and like a paper type dosa. It will be a soft dosa. It will not be a crispy, it will be a soft dosa for you. So since I'm using millet, so it's one of the healthy recipe, friends, to have it for a breakfast. So I've mixed all the ingredients fine nicely, as you can see, and I'll have to keep it aside for fermentation for around 8 to 10 hours. So I've kept this overnight. So after overnight, we can see our batter is completely fluffy. So you can see it's nicely done, and you need to mix it very fast and quickly, just to remove the air from the batter. Just keep it aside, and we'll just before keeping it aside, I will just add the salt, half spoon of salt. Again mix it nicely. So our batter is now ready, and I will start preparing our chutney for this dosa. So I've heated the pan with some oil, around 1 spoon of oil. Now I'm adding green chilies, around 5 to 6 green chilies I've added, and some garlic, Okay, and saute it nicely till the raw smell is gone. It is nicely cooked now. I will take it out in a jar grinder. So next I'm going to add peanuts. So these are roasted peanuts. And next I'm going to add 1 spoon of jeera and coconut and some salt. So this is a mixture of peanuts and coconut, friends. If you want to make it plain with coconut, you can do that, but together it gives you a nice taste of this chutney. So grind it into a nice paste. See, our chutney is now ready. I'll just prepare a tampering for this. Oil is heated. I've added mustard seeds and I've just removed it from the gas because it will burn then. So now I've added some curry leaves and just keep it aside for a minute. And our tampering is ready. Just pour it over a chutney and mix it well. So our chutney is now ready, friends. This is a very simple and tasty recipe of this chutney. You can have it with dosa, idli, bondas. So now let's make a dosa. The procedure, let's see. Heat a dosa pan and apply some oil on the pan. And let's start preparing one dosa for you. I'll show you. It's same as the regular dosa that we make. It's just you need to be little careful because it's too soft than the regular dosa. See, like this you have to prepare a nice thin or medium thin dosa as per your liking. And it's done, and I'm going to apply some oil. I'm going to just put a lid first and just cook it for 1 or 2 seconds. You can see it's nicely cooked. So I've applied some oil because I have to turn upside down. So apply some oil, otherwise it should not get stick to it with your pan. See how nicely it is coming out. That means it is perfectly cooked. The reason I'm keeping the pan because this is not normal like normal dosa. We don't have to keep it. I mean, we don't have to keep the lid. But for millets dosa, just try to keep the lid because it has to be cooked from upside also. So you can see how nicely the dosa is done. So I've started plating it, and you can serve it with the peanut and coconut chutney, and here I've made some tomato chutney also. I will share. So friends, if you like the video, do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.